Okay, first time naming mag-harvest ng aming kamote. Wow, first harvest. Kung may itinanim, may aanihin.
Yung palaya lumalaki na yung palaya natin. Amos will be there's a better kid than Steve.
Ang ganyan. Yay, inglinta nga kamote. Uy, tapos may talong pa doon, no?
May talong dyan, oh.
Ay, oo, yung talong, ano, iprito?
Inihaw.
Wow, so good. First harvest. Tapos ito yung ampalaya namin. Ayan, tumutubo pa lang. Because the weather has been crazy this year. That's why yung mga tanim namin ay late na tumubo. Because we had a yo-yo weather. Yeah, didn't know kung mag-snow, kung iinit, kung lalamig. So that's why late na tumubo tong mga tanim namin. Ayan. Ayan yung mga ampalaya.
Ay, ang kamote.
Yes, tapos mag-harvest din kami ng talong. Okay, ngayon, patingin daw. Mag-harvest naman siya ng kanyang mga talong. Okay, let's see. Ooh, malaki. Oh my gosh, that's what we want. Malaking talong. Wow! Iprito natin. Okay, oh my gosh. Let me see, hold on. Wow! Okay, umpisa pa lang dayta.
Bukas na kasi mainit.
Okay, ngayon, ito namang bulaklak ng kalabasa.
Maraming bunga.
Wow! See, parang kalian lang nung itinanim mo to. Pwedeng iluto siya with eggs, Andri. Iprito mo with eggs. Ayan o, parang kailan lang nung tinanim ni Henry ito. May mga bunga na. Look at this. Look at that. May bunga na. Hello mga junok. Mangitlog kayo ng mangitlog, ha. Hindi lang kayo mangitlog. I'm telling you. Talaga. Trineten daw yung manok. Let me see. Ano ba yan? Okay, let's see how many. Ay, may nangingitlog. Okay, I was gonna check kung ilang itlog, pero there's a chicken right there right now. Okay. Hindi ka tayo istorbohin. Just do your thing.